In the previous section, we talked about some necessary setup for Unity version control and also how it places itself in the Unity ecosystem. Let's now start exploring how the actual everyday work with Unity version control looks like. For that, we will start with an alternative approach to creating a repository. Let's go to Unity Hub and create a new project. I am choosing Unity 6 this time, which is still in preview at the time of this recording, but you will see that there is close to no difference when it comes to working with version control, because most of the heavy work in the background is happening through Plastic and not directly through the Unity editor. So any Unity version from the last 2 or 3 years should work almost identically for our purposes. This time I want to connect to Unity Cloud immediately and also use Unity version control. This is only possible after we have set up our cloud account before. The only thing we can really choose is the name of our repository, so let's do that. And create the project. We have now created a new repository and simultaneously a new workspace, which is automatically connected to that repository. Let's make that very clear. A repository and a workspace are not the same thing. Let's add the difference to our glossary. Think of a workspace when you think about all the stuff that you have locally on your machine. So let's define a workspace as a location on disk that you will use to connect to a repository. Technically, the difference between a normal Unity project and a Unity project which is a Plastic workspace is a single hidden folder which is placed at the root of your Unity project. Here we can find the metadata which is needed for the workspace. This is not the same as the .git folder for those of you who are used to Git, because the .git folder contains all the metadata which makes up a whole repository. In Plastic, the workspace and the repository are separated. And in the default case, when we use the cloud, the actual repository is not present at our computer at all. It is only in the cloud. Okay, but then what is in the cloud exactly? Or rather, what is the difference between a workspace and a repository? A repository is the storage of your project files plus all the metadata which is needed for version control. And that plus is a very big plus, because that means that the repository is not only a single project, but rather all the states which your project goes through. The workspace, on the other hand, is always in only one specific state. Trust me, this will be a lot clearer once we start making actual changes.